मतलब जो ये जाली का डिजाइन है ना,
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल।
कमिंग आउट वेरी अमेजिंग। मतलब एग्जैक्टली जो
दिया
दिखाया
गया
था
था एग्जैक्टली सेम।
सेम।
क्लब हाउस से देखते हुए बना रहे हैं बिल्कुल, मतलब
अच्छा।
पूरे हाँ, वो कंस्ट्रक्शन क्लब हाउस।
और हर टावर के सामने जो वाटर बॉडी है वो भी
हाँ
मतलब होटल वाला फीलिंग दे रहा है, आपका लीला होटल जो ओबेरॉय लीला। इवन हॉर्टिकल्चर इज ऑल्सो गुड।
अभी
वन
अंदर
ऑफ द
देखेंगे तो
मोस्ट प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट ऑफ
गोदरेज।
गोदरेज एट दिल्ली।
यस।
आइए प्लीज। Wow. The finishing of the product is quite amazing. Very amazing.
शुड वी गो टू 74 तो
Yeah.
एक बार देखते हैं स्टॉप।
The product finishing मतलब very amazing.
अभी तो आई थिंक पूरी फिनिशिंग अभी वही जस्ट फिनिशिंग है, लेकिन जो जो फिनिशिंग हो रखा है दैट इज वेरी स्मूथ।
Even the ground floor, all the lobbies also air conditioned, fully air conditioned. Even the waiting lounge is also there, I think.
यहाँ भी है।
VRV air conditioning. Oh wow.
The entrance is like
That is also a double height. वही बोल रहा हूँ, मतलब it has a feeling like you are in some Oberoi or Leela waiting lounge. So does not need to take your guests directly at your apartment. Finish your unofficial things in the lobbies.
Right.
And three lifts ना?
फिलिप्स यस। ये तो है सर्विस लिफ्ट उससे है।
अच्छा 4 lifts. Okay.
This
Amazing.
passenger हमारे सर्विस।
The finishing of the quality of the marble used. Same feeling like DLF Crest, Park Place.
No, no, this is one product that everyone needs to see.
हाँ, this is the benchmark. मतलब I've never seen,
Delivery wise, yes.
never see such a finishing.
Yes.
That is the terrace.
Terrace is yes, yes, above the terrace. Actually, we have 3 towers which are rated for handover.
अच्छा.
SB1 and SB2 is right.
And basement is
Base one is -2.
okay. So this is the second tallest.
Yes, after primer.
29 the story. Wow.
So the left is very fast, but it's not no on its full potential. It's still running on very low speeds.
Okay.
Yeah. So fraction of a second to reach air floor.
Yeah, 680 kg per 10 person. Sure. Four apartments
Yes.
per floor,
Yes.
and the privacy is such maintained that no apartment face each other.
Correct.
So
Except
very-
this.
हाँ,
4 BHK
right,
to 4 BHK here and
Right.
3 BHK 3 BHK.
right,
There's no mix and match.
right. So this is of size
3,800 square feet. 3,820.
biggest one.
The biggest one that we have.
Okay.
4 BHK and that comes would say 7.
With the digital lock.
Yes.
Okay.
501. Yeah.
Okay. The touch
Touch
keypad.
hai, keypad hai, then we have numeric as well.
Even the width of the door is quite big.
Fire resistant after 90 minutes.
Maybe it's quite big. अभी शायद इसमें सेल नहीं लगा रखी है, अदरवाइज कीवर्ड डाल देते. This is also the very good
A space for your needs.
shoes rack, sit out area.
Sit out area.
This, oh wow,
So we
very
have-
spacious, very spacious. With the fittings of cooler.
Yes.
Wow. Even the servant quarter also has sufficient space.
Yes. This is your
Utility balcony.
balcony which connects to the kitchen.
Okay, it is covered.
Yes.
Oh wow.
This portion is open
Okay.
because we have placed a
Balcony for the safety.
Correct.
Right. Okay. This is covered. This is open, but still it is huge.
Yes.
Wet
Kitchen
area.
Yeah.
Dry area. The people made the open kitchen and closed kitchen also.
Yes, you can do it.
Yeah. Very, very, very spacious. Even the very rare thing that fire sensor never builder gives in the servant. The smoke detectors.
Yes.
Ceiling height is also very good. This is the first bedroom.
This is also true.
So the
Yeah,
wooden
look at the
flooring.
view as well.
Yeah, wooden flooring is already
It's there.
given. Wow. Ceiling height is also amazing.
Yes.
10.5 या 11 फीट से कम नहीं लग रहा है. Daikin AC.
So you can see Paras from here, the longest building.
Oh, quartier, Paras
Yes.
quartier.
This wall party.
Okay.
This is not open.
Okay.
The other side is open.
The deck is also very big.
Yes, I think almost 6 feet.
Very big deck.
Everything 6.
Yeah. And
And it's a very good view. This
Amazing.
is Kasura Reserve, which is approximately 160 acres.
yeah.
So it will be green all the time. There is no construction that will be happening here.
बहुत बड़ा ग्रीन एरिया है.
और
और पीछे लास्ट पीछे पूरी गुड़गांव की रावली है. पूरी कॉन्टिन्यूस रावली राइट. बहुत ही अच्छा व्यू है. Even the dimensions of room is very amazing. Almost 12 by 14.
almost.
Yeah, with 2 side table stands. Here you have the cabinet for the TV and the fittings. Wardrobe will be on the side
Yes.
wall. And amazing view. So from your bed you wake up in the morning and see the Ravli having a tea or coffee in your balcony. Balcony की width बहुत चौड़ी है. This is also the space where you can make your wardrobe. You can fix the gate here also in case you want to keep this washroom as a part of your guest bedroom. And these all fittings are a part of the product with the fitting of cooler. This glass partition also, and a very well system of ventilation also, which is connected with your balcony and shaft area where your VRV AC unit is being placed. Wow. So this is the starting. Amazing.
This is the living and dining area.
Purely a rectangular living and dining area. Even you can throw a party also if you open this. This is also locked. This is a very wide balcony attached with your living and dining area and the kitchen. So if you want to throw a party, so you can open the balcony and a very amazing view. Very, very beautiful view. The Golpahadi Paras quartier is also visible. And amazing view of Godrej South Estate. The kitchen is also fully loaded. Upper cabinet, lower cabinet, chimney hob. Very well connected with the utility balcony, which we saw. And amazing kitchen. Very amazing kitchen. Also the window has been given in the kitchen for proper ventilation. And here you can see the liveliness of Godrej South Estate, 3800 square feet. This is also the space where you can make the temple, a wardrobe or a bar area also, very well lit. And this is the second bedroom. So the second bedroom is also very spacious, and it also has the
EQI air purifier system मिला रखा है, both indoor and both outdoor, दोनों है मेरे पास.
So this is the air purifier system where the unit has been placed in the
In
kitchen,
the kitchen.
and for maintaining the air quality inside the room also and outside the
In
room also.
Delhi's geography, pollution is also very concerning thing.
Yeah.
So we have equipped the system by fitting AQI systems in the apartments. which
This
will
is
give
the
you
same
better-
which you have first placed in Godrej Air also,
Correct,
nature
right,
also somewhere,
Right.
and then in Godrej Meridian also.
Yes.
We just not listen about this, but just saw it first time. So जो Godrej बोलता है वो deliver भी करता है with lot of accuracy and precision. बहुत ही स्पेशियस है, बहुत ही खुला डुल्ला है, मतलब किसी भी पार्ट में आपको ये नहीं लग रहा कि थोड़ा कंजेस्टेड है. 3800 में मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा यूटिलाइजेशन किया है. So let's go to the bedrooms. 3 bedroom at 3 different corner. One is left.
So this is mostly suited for elderly people
Okay.
because they have their own private balcony which is connected to the master bedroom.
So these are the ducts which have been connected to the
We
air
are promoting
filtration unit.
VRVs.
Okay. All are down. So again a very big balcony.
This is connected with the master bedroom. And
Okay.
that is your complete Delhi.
Very huge balcony. Deck, not a balcony.
It's a deck.
It's called a deck. Even the wooden flooring texture is also looks amazing. What else you need? You have everything inside the club, the luxury, the society amenities, and a beautiful view. अब तक के जितने प्रोडक्ट मैंने गोदरेज के देखे मतलब this is a benchmark.
Yes.
This is a benchmark. The fitting, fixtures, everything, it's amazing. So we are entering in the third bedroom. It is a French window.
So this is dedicated to kids because kids are normally, they
More-
need some privacy and also they need some
Ventilation.
Ventilation. We are on the top, so we need to have safety as well. So you have given a lockable system windows,
Okay.
French windows, where we can lock it. And that is the entire Noida. You can see this is entire Noida.
Yeah.
This entire Noida.
Clear view. I think Supertech is also there, no?
Yes, that is wave
Oh wow. Wave. That
18.
you can see. This is Wave. This is the Noida. Wow. एक साइड बालकनी से गुड़गांव,
एक side.
एक साइड नोएडा. You are sitting at the right place, brother.
So towards this you have Jawaharlal Stadium and your Lotus Temple.
Wow. You just send a drone to shoot the videos. Higher floor का तो look बहुत ही प्यारा है.
No, it's not.
And this is the highway which is connected to that of.
This is going towards Noida.
Okay. This is the highway.
Yes.
Which goes to the D&D, I think.
Yes, it will connect to Karandiganj and furthermore to your Noida Gateway access.
Okay. Even the ceiling height is amazing.
Yes.
Every room has a smoke detector and a fire extinguisher also. And a washroom also. It's काफी spacious है, मतलब it doesn't look very congested. There is a washroom. The builder used to make it very small kind of. This is the master bedroom.
So we have kept enough space
Oh wow.
to cater all the needs for the master bedroom.
Wow. I think more than 14 by 20 or 14 by 18.
Yes.
It's very spacious. It's a running balcony which connects both the bedrooms. So you have to smoke secretly because another bedroom is also connected, having a very.
The bathroom will also comply with the bedroom.
Okay.
You have to have a look.
Oh, wow. This is a master bedroom, friends. Very huge. This is a very big washroom. This is the shower area, shower panel
You
area,
can also fit in a
glass panel,
No, a bathing tube.
bathing tub. Okay. But shower panel is very more than sufficient. Here you can make the cubicle, shower cubicle also. So it suits your both needs. So if you want a bathtub, the fittings are here. If you need a shower cubicle, this space is here for the shower cubicle. Again, the fitting and fixtures are of Kohler, and this is a ceiling. Above this, you can place your geyser and all.
हाँ बीच वाला कर दो.
Stage of construction
We
है.
have completed all the 36th floor.
Okay, superstructure is ready.
Completed, yes, till top floor.
Okay,
So we will be doing the finishing.
okay,
It will be handed over by next year, most probably April or May.
okay. So within 1 year or 12 months.
Within a year.
This is a water body, swimming pool, the green area, and this is the EWS, I think. The functionality of EWS, matlab.
Finishing is also very good in EWS as well. So no one can recognize this. EWS as well.
It is not. Even the DLF Midtown, the Camellia EWS are not looking that. It's a very huge and spacious balcony. Even the top is also in the same
Yes.
design, or is it only for sample?
This is also for sample. If you want, you can
Replicate?
If you want, yes.
Okay, okay.
Do it. We can do it for you.
Okay.
On additional charges.
Or you can provide the vendor number.
Absolutely.
The balcony is literally very. We are standing currently on 27th floor. So you can see the view, the entirely green crystal view. Enjoy a cup of coffee. This side is an entire green, dense green area, and a very big
This is the solar reserve of 160 acres.
160 acres.
Yes.
Wow. And nothing ever can come up here.
Yes.
No builder, no nothing.
Nothing.
So it will be a lifetime view.
Absolutely. And no blockages whatsoever.
No
Unlike
blockages.
others.
It's a very, very big green area. Amazing. And
And the best part is all the four places are facing towards the village.
okay,
The village faces.
right. So their view remains unhindered for the lifetime.
Yes.
The construction is also very neat and clean.
Yes.
Matlab, even you can see a simple, not even a very clean construction. All is the Maivan shuttering,
Yes.
aluminium foil,
Yes.
no seepage, nothing. Durability of the building will also small. One of my client lives in DLF. He used to put a drill in the crest. His drill breaks 3 times.
So we are considering the quality standard.
Yes. Quality and luxury, a combination along with the brand value of a Godrej, more than 180-year brand. And here will be the 2 AC or in the living dining area.
Yes. This is a VRV by Daikin.
Okay. So the kitchen will remain open, or will the customer can modify as per his
No, absolutely.
requirement?
You can modify. You can put it something like that. Here.
Yes.
This can be closed.
Okay. If the customer want to make it a little as per as they can. There is no beam in this. Okay. The kitchen is also quite very spacious, and the window adds more cup to the cake. Cherry to the cake. The ceiling height looks amazing, and this concept of air filtration and air purification adds some more bandwidth to this product. It's you can see the emergency staircases also.
Quite
And
huge.
quite huge, spacious and safe. Even you can see that they are given the glass window also as a safety protocol behind your jali designed facade. The staircases are also wide. And one more thing I would like to show that this is the service lift. So your maid and everyone can use this service lift
सीधा आपके फ्लोर पे कोई एंट्री नहीं करेगा. You have a dedicated area for the
delivery,
delivery
maids,
persons, maids,
drivers,
like this.
and plus this fire safety system has also been given behind the exit door, so it is not placed directly in the lobby. So most of the builders used to place it in the lift lobby area.
This is also decent.
Very decent. You can have your own planters or sit out areas. The lobby is also very spacious and having the fire detectors also. The finishing work of the lift is also of the same design and color. which is the benchmark for the Delhi Okhla estate. And 3 lifts. 1 lift is outside for the servants, maids and delivery person. Godrej South Estate, high-rise homes that offers an unparalleled lifestyle by Godrej Properties.